Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP Ripple. You know, my expectation in line with the general development in the crypto market and the Bitcoin move that I also expect to drop once more. So Bitcoin I do expect to drop once more below 30k, above 20k, all based on the Elliott Wave count method and indicators that we have available in technical analysis. And also what you can see, XRP Ripple, after it did not break out of this cup and handle pattern back in November. It did fail. Some other cryptos did break out. This one did fail. It has been correcting since then, and it doesn't seem to be able to break out of this descending trend line. Even in that, you know, after we did drop, I told you that I do expect a little bit of a relief rally, and we did that. Yeah, we had a bit of a relief rally, but it did not come above that level here. I think at the time I made a video, I said there is no reason at the moment to become too euphoric, too happy about it, because we are still below this descending trend line. This is clearly corrective in nature, and I would expect that we come once more into this target area that I did give you when we were up here. I think I did talk about this target area between 50 cents and 70 cents. So we are coming down in this area as expected. We already hit it, I mean, anyway, but because we came in so impulsively, so strongly, I would expect that we come into it once more to really fill that wick, and I would expect a price of 60 cents, and if we lose that, at around 50 cents. And this is quite a bit of a hit for everybody who has XRP. I own XRP as well, but I did drastically reduce my my holdings already a while ago. But yeah, I'm going to buy more very soon, but I think only when we hit again the 70, 60 and 50 cent level. So I'm going to set buy orders. They can be found on Discord for every channel member. And then I will also set sell orders. I think as soon as we get here into this target area, there I would expect a turnaround. I mean, where are we currently at 80 cents? If we drop further into this target area, you know, that would be, if we go all the way down to 50 cents, this would be a 37% drop. I think Bitcoin could also drop below between 40, yeah, 35, 40, 45% maybe. I hope we'll hold that level, because if we don't hold that level, that could lead to prices around 40 cents. So those previous lows there, or even the 38 cent level back here, or even down there, 35 cent, that previous low. I don't hope it will, but it would be amazing for everybody who likes XRP just to buy a lot cheaper. At least there I would then expect a turnaround, but it's quite impressive what that correction that's going to play out. I think, you know, in a sense it is related to the SEC case, but also we are just continuing with this correction. Because we are doing this, I would expect us to come into the target area once more, and from there on then to start a another attempt to get above that 142 level. So you've got here the previous wave 5, you know, after that we did a 1 ABC. So absolutely in line with expectation. And to be honest, we already did hit the target level. So theoretically this would have been enough to continue our way up. But since then we haven't been able to build an impulsive move to the upside. So I would expect us to come down once more. We are also being held back here by the daily EMAs. You can see them all here, the EMA ribbon. Generally looking at the weekly MACD and RSI, we can see that we are already fairly low. You know, the MACD as well is just doing a cross below the zero line. So through the zero line, I think that's going to happen in the next few days. There's a bit more scope, I think, to fall lower, because we did before. Also, if you just look at the histogram, we did come lower. But, you know, since October 2020, or even since August 2020, we've been above the zero line with the MACD line. I think now this could really be the first time we drop below zero. If we do that, that could be another sell signal, and that could really bring the price down into that target area. Here on the daily, we are just making a bullish crossover on the MACD. So in the short term, we could even see a little bit of an upside, but I wouldn't expect too much here. I think the only thing that could really save us here from lower prices is really here a move above the next fib level, so 85 cents again. That's the 0.618 fib level. If we go above that, and hold above that level, and then we go above the previous high here at 93 cents, then we could start to build an impulsive move, and really the final breakout I think cannot be confirmed before we go above 141, 142. That will take a while because we have corrected down so much. Primarily I would expect another move down here. As I said, we already hit the target area anyway. I did make a video back then, but I would expect currently further dropping prices. Just looking at how strongly we come down here, not a slowdown at all of this downtrend, and also based on the wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC, this is working out well. After the C, what comes naturally is a strong move up. If you can count that here as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, for example, then we have hit with this target range here the 0.887 fib level. A lot of cryptos have done that, and if we get to that level, yeah, like Cardano is at the moment at the 0.887 fib level, then we could also see the turnaround here. That would be my expectation, or in the worst case 50 cents. In the very worst case we could even drop lower, but in the more bullish scenario, definitely I would expect the turnaround here. That would really be bad, below 50 cents. I don't expect it. Personally, I think 50 cents is already shockingly enough. So hopefully you liked the update video about XRP. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.